What's up, everyone? One question that I get all the time is people saying, hey, Brandon, if you could pick one lure to fish anywhere in the country or in the world, what would you pick? Me? Zoom trick worm. The reason is there's so many different ways I can fish this bait. I can fish it wacky rigged, I can fish it Nico rigged, I can fish it on drop shot, Texas rigged, I can fish it weightless, Carolina rigged. There's so many ways that I can fish this bait. I can even use it on a really small finesse trailer by trimming it down. And the other thing is that there's so many different colors I can choose from. I can go super clear water, spotted bass lakes like Lake Lanier in Georgia. And then I can go those mid-color tones, and then I can go dirtier water all the way into blacks and June bugs. So anywhere in the country, I've got colors and I've got different techniques that I can use it on. Now, I won a lot of money on a shaky head throwing the Z3 Edge last year when I went to win the Angler of the Year. So if you guys are looking for one bait to try out across the US or in the world, check out the Zoom Trick Worm.